There is a new Orbs Quest. It's tricky, and I'll show how to claim it. But before that, many of you watch my videos, get free Nitro and all the advanced bot and server tutorials for free, but don't subscribe to my channel. Make sure to subscribe now. We need to reach 13,000 subscribers very soon. I believe in you guys, and I know you will make it happen. Now, let's get started. This Orbs Quest is different. It requires two things. First is, just to see this Orbs Quest, you require VPN. I use Urban VPN, you can use whatever suits you. After that, simply change your location to the United States. You don't need to worry about the states in it. As long as it has the US location in it, you are good to go. And then refresh the page. It is possible that your internet could get slower after switching to the US location. It is also normal, so don't dwell too much on it. Now just scroll down, and you should be able to see Build Up Your Nation quest. It's the Avatar quest from Tilting Point. You need to do this on your phone or tablet. If you can't see this quest there, then make sure to download a VPN in your phone, switch the location to the US, and open the Discord app again to see the quest. But it should normally appear there after you click the quest on PC, and a QR code pops up. There we have it, our 700 orbs. If you want a quest link, feel free to join my support server and head to Orbs channel. The link should be available there. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.